baha. Lalakad pa ako pala dito. Hindi hiraw. Pampayong. Nakano, likado ba? Oh. Ano dadaan ito? Dadaan sa likod. Dadaan sa kabilang side. Hintayin ko yung taxi. Tropa ko. Lang niya. Baka tubig. Wala akong extra medyas. I will show you the place. Tangay na, too much water here, oh. See? I bring extra socks. I like this, ha. Too much water. Wait. You from here right there. Then I will wait you here from Quick Supermarket, bro. I will wait you here. Just call me. Tangay na, too much. Sorry. Ayan, oh. Water bottle ba sir? Oh, wait.
नहीं हो रहा है, लगता है शाम पे तो उधर ही बैठना पड़ेगा। This is not too much water, but all people being that side. That side. नहीं मैं हमेशा देखता हूँ बिजनेस करता है ना आप लोग तो यार। जितना भी चाय खाता हूँ सब पाकिस्तानी, खाना खाता हूँ पाकिस्तानी। इसलिए लगता है मेरे को कंट्री कैसा है पता नहीं, जो इधर रहता है वो लोग बहुत मेहनत करता है, काम में लाज नहीं रखता है ना, वो चीज़ मेरे को सबसे पसंद आता है इधर। बुरा
Plus police, bro. Maybe this one. We put only army.
बाहर जाओ, दो तीन गुप्पी लगाओ दो तीन। स्विमिंग करना जाना पड़ेगा। स्विमिंग।
If you see in Philippines, bro, this one. Too much kids swimming.
आप लोग का सबसे अच्छा ड्राइविंग होता है ना इधर। अच्छा हाँ, मेरे को लगता है ऐसा, क्योंकि मेरा कार लिप जितना ही मैं कार लिप यूज किया। अच्छा। दुबई पे, शारजा पे, सब आपका कंट्री का है।
Long time, long traffic. Too much traffic, bro, here. Too much traffic because of the too much car.
Hello. Hello. Jaya.
We are in the outside.
Outside.
Water. Too much here.
Coming soon. Coming soon. Only 5 minutes.
How come 5 minutes is one? You will know? Not 5 minutes.
Yeah, inside. There are too much outside. Water.
И худой до того, как того, что тут скипать.
Coming soon. Coming soon. Yeah.
Too much water, bro. See?
Oh my God. See, you make video send me.
Why you said 5 minutes, bro?
See, too much calling. That's it. It's okay. Oh my God. Send me a bro.
Swimming pool, ah.
Bro, send me a.
Swimming.
Swimming.
Yeah, there we can go there as well. You know. This side there. Yeah. I like that. Here.
Condition.
We are here now. See the road, man. Water too much. We are inside here now. Man, there's too much water. Putangin.
Ah, that's why he pick up the Jaya.
Yeah, bro. Same way, no? But very hard to find car taxi now, bro.